Welcome to our virtual road test of our 2014 14 plate Audi A3 1.4 TFSI Sport Auto. Got 44,091 miles to be precise on the clock, with full Audi service history. That does include a cam belt and water pump change that was carried out by Audi as part of a service as well. So we've got full history for it. Just giving it a little run up the road just to see how it drives. It's a really nice, smooth little car. No squeaks or rattles or bangs. It's really tight, nice and smooth. Yeah, drives very well. No warning lights on the dash. Brakes are all good on it. It's in Amalfi white, which is the slightly off white. It's a sort of darker white, I suppose you could call it. And it's got the comfort pack on it as well, which includes cruise control and rear parking sensors, as well as dimming mirror, and it's also got the SD card navigation system as well. It has got DAB, as I say, it's got parking sensors, it's got climate control as well, so it's a nicely spec little car. Great looking car as well in the colour, with the alloys and everything as well, and very low mileage. 44,000 miles is nothing. We've got 2 keys for it. And overall, a very nice little car. Oh, it's got auto hold as well, I should add, which is quite useful when you're at traffic lights and junctions and stuff. But yes, as I said, overall, a very nice little car. Drives very well, good value for money. Got loads of life left in it at 44,000 miles as well. All the information on it is uploaded onto our website, along with images, the video walk around that we do. But if there is any additional information that you'd like on the car, or our finance options, or our home delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.